The top end is a great time to be in the garden in October, and it's starting to look beautiful again. There are plenty of options for planting right now, and this month it's all about palms. They are cool and calming for patio areas and around pools. There are varieties that grow well indoors in pots too. Most palms are hardy and establish well in a sunny and well-drained position. October is a great month to plant shrubs too. Morea paniculata is a lovely shrub with beautiful white fragrant flowers. Jasmine with its heady perfume is an excellent climber. Durantera, also known as golden dewdrop, has pretty blue, purple and white flowers and grows prolifically in the territory. If you don't know what to plant, come in store and see our gardening experts. We can help you out. So get some edibles in the veggie patch too. It's a perfect time to plant basil, lemongrass, snake beans and sweet potato and chilies in the top end. All our plants are 100% guaranteed for 12 months except for our seedlings. If you're not happy with any of your plants, bring them back with the receipt and we'll give you a full refund. There's heaps to harvest in October, including watermelon, sweet potato, ginger, chilli, zucchini. Things to do in your garden in October. Keep things in shape with pruning, prune your quarter lines and hedging plants. Use the cuttings to propagate. Put them into water until they've grown roots, then plant out. Give the lawn some love. Use Weed and Feed or similar products to clean up the lawns. Prepare for the wet season and mulch your garden. Be sure to give the ground a good soak first. And there you go, make the most of the build-up in the top end and get out into your garden. And of course, come in and see one of our expert team at our local Bunnings to see our great range of plants. Click here for more gardening advice or click here to go back to the website.